All right, back to another video, a recap of continuation of yesterday. Yesterday I was talking about additives and what you add to your fuel tank and how you're supposed to do it every oil change, and every 3,000 to 4,000 miles, every time you get an oil change, you're supposed to add an additive. But which additive are you supposed to add? Fuel additive to your fuel tank to clean it out, to make it last longer. And you put it in there, and it's cheap. For the tune-up, it's $100. They're gonna charge you for $100. I'm at the racetrack right now, you see, and it's important. This is gonna affect your engine, help it last longer. You can save money in the long run. And maintenance shops are gonna charge you about $100 for a tune-up. It's part of a tune-up package, $100 just to add a fuel additive. And I have some additional information about that. That's why I'm making this video here. No, I'm not the only one that is guilty of this, of adding regular fuel to your fuel tank. It's the numbers on the gas pump are important, and it helps your engine last longer. You can save money in the long run. You might have to put up a little bit extra money for fuel additives, like $10 for 10 ounces of fuel additives, and then it's 1 ounce for every gallon, or 2 ounces for every gallon is better fuel additives. So you wait till it's almost empty to add the fuel additives every time you go get your oil change, every 3,000 to 4,000 miles. And it's going to clean it out, help it last longer, performance, run better. So you want to let it idle with the engine on for 20 minutes after you add the fuel additives. And it's something that's really important for us to do. I think we all need to do it, and it's some preventative care. You know, you can save money in the long run. You put up a little money up front. It's more money for the premium gas. See, what the most important thing, what you're supposed to do is, I know I'm not the only one that is guilty of it. So for your, go to your owner's manual, right? So you find, okay, what do you find? You look up fuel, right? See fuel here, all about the fuels, and then you turn to that, turn to it. It's something easy that a lot of people probably overlook. I know I did. And then you can see it recommends for your vehicle. See, it recommends the rating 91 or higher, right? So I need to start, I'm putting in premium fuel for this vehicle. It's recommended premium fuel. And the additives, you can see that on the right. It recommends GM Fuel System Treatment Plus. See that? Fuel System Treatment Plus. Right there. So you can look in the owner's manual. You can look in the owner's manual of your vehicle and find out what's the right thing to use, right? It might be a little more up front, a little more to spend at the gas pump, and a little more additives. Like I bought two bottles of additives. I bought the Lucas brand that I added, but it was the wrong kind. I was supposed to get the GM brand that the owner's manual recommends. So keep that in mind. And so this thing, normally my videos are about saving money. This one is about putting up a little bit extra money to save money in the long run, right? To keep your engine performing like it's supposed to properly, and not having to bring it to the maintenance shop to get repairs, right? Nobody wants to do that because they're expensive. You see how I see, this is another thing. I took these. You might want to do this yourself. It helps with neck support, head support. The rows here aren't too, they're not very, they're not, there's some rough spots here, not that smooth in some areas, and some people might have neck problems. So I recommend, putting these. I have 2 shoestrings and 2 neck pillows that you can get from any store, Walmart or something. There's 2 of them. I put them in there, put them together, and tied them up, and it's a perfect curvature for the back. You see how it's curved right here? So it's gonna fit right there on the back of my neck, the curve. So you can actually sit up. You could sit up with that support there for your head, so it's not bouncing all around like it's not supposed to, like it's not meant to do. And you can still stay up straight and be alert and looking, looking left and right like you're supposed to, checking your blind spots and seeing everything like you're supposed to. So that's just some more tips and information. Keep it in mind, and do it. Look it up. Take the time to research it. Do your own research and fill up the right gas, the right fuel at the pump that your vehicle recommends, so it runs right, so it's operating properly with less malfunctions, and use the right additives for your fuel tank. Thank you. Peace and world peace, and have a good one. See you next time. Like, subscribe, share to everyone. Thank you.